Okay everyone, welcome back again to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we talk about iPhone and how you can buy more gigabytes of storage on your device. Now, a few things to know about it, like iPhones have never been expandable with an SD card, so this is not gonna work. And the few options include buying more iCloud storage and buying some external devices which you can connect to your iPhone and use an external device that way, right? So the first option is just buying more in the iCloud department. So just go ahead and open up the settings, and I literally got the suggestions from the settings that my iPhone can't be backed up because I don't have enough storage on iCloud. So I can click on add storage right here, and I can literally buy for €1 per month 50 gigabytes or 200 gigabytes or 2 terabytes, right? So these are the options which I have. I'm gonna hit the not now. Besides that, in case you don't get the pop-up, what you can do is just to click on your name in the settings, tap on iCloud right here, and manage iCloud storage. The first option here is gonna be change storage plan. Just click on that and you essentially get to the very same page which I shown you before, but right now you got through it using the built-in settings method. So essentially just switch to a different options. You even have more options here, so you could go for 6 terabytes or 12 terabytes a month for like, I don't know, like $60 a month, which is quite a lot. I'm not sure if you ever needed that much storage, but yeah, you can go ahead and purchase it. Now, besides that, as I said, there are like different ways to add more. Like obviously the iPhone has the USB-C now, so the transfer and compatibility is going to be very better, like improved by a lot in the future and going forward. So yeah, there are going to be many accessories. You can use the Samsung portable SSDs. I use them quite a lot to just connect it to my device, and using the Files app I can access it very simply. So yeah, it's really that easy. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later.